Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Go Mastercard account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Go Mastercard account online on your PC, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address gomastercard.com.au like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Go Mastercard like this. Now, in order to log into your Go Mastercard account from the home page, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see this login button available. You will be required to click on that. But if you have not yet signed up for a Go Mastercard account, you can always click on the Apply Now button to go through a procedure to register an account on Go Mastercard. With that being said, let's click on Login, guys. And over here, guys, at the right side of the screen, you can see the place to enter your username and your password. And let's go. But if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click on this button which says forgot your username and forgot your password to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Go Mastercard account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.